Find or read reviews that people are talking about LMYYGOO Swimming Pool Pump. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful performance, efficient circulation, equipped with a high-performance 2.0 HP motor and a maximum flow of 7,135 gallons per hour, it quickly completes water circulation and filtration, significantly improving cleaning efficiency. It's the ideal choice for medium to large above-ground pools. Safe and reliable, quality certified, the product has passed stringent ETL safety certification, ensuring it meets high standards for electrical safety in the North American market, giving you and your family peace of mind. Convenient design, easy maintenance, features a transparent top cover with a large, built-in washable strainer basket that easily traps leaves and other large debris before they enter the pump core, extending its service life. Simply open the top cover for quick cleaning and hassle-free maintenance. Wide compatibility, flexible installation, optimally designed for above-ground pools, while its robust performance also makes it compatible with some in-ground pool systems. Standard inlet/outlet fittings allow for easy connection to your existing pool plumbing. Robust and durable, stable operation, constructed with corrosion-resistant, UV-resistant engineering plastic housing and high-quality components, built to endure outdoor environments, ensuring long-lasting durability and stable performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.